Right, so we're up on the yard, we're on a workshop Wednesday. A few little pieces I've got to do. First thing I've got to do, obviously this machine has been used on the front of a tractor, been done properly, meaning there's a PTO guard covering the shaft that would be spinning with nothing on. Thing is, I don't have anything with a front PTO. So my first job is to take this guard off here, put it on the other side of the gearbox, so we can put the shaft on this side and also keep the spinning shaft away from fingertips. So this theoretically under here should be like a brand new shaft, hopefully. I've actually got a job to do with this that I was actually hoping to do. Was it today? Yes, I was hoping to do it today, but unfortunately it's just not convenient for the customer. So was that yesterday I was going to do that? Anyway, whatever day, wasn't convenient. So but to be fair, I'm probably not going to take this topper because it's not far from where the guys that have bought my old topper are, so I was going to run that down to them as well. Right, we'll get that put on the other side. You've seen it come off, you don't really see it go on. I'm going to pay a bit of musical machinery, leave mate's trailer out of the way, get both the toppers out, sort all that bits and pieces out. So we'll carry on when we start moving some machinery around. Well, Massey's still down with the contractors. She hasn't come home yet, and also she's broken at the moment. So yeah, what else am I supposed to use to move the gear around? So yeah, I don't know quite where I'm going to put that trailer yet. I need to get the two toppers out. I'm going to have a word with mate in a sec. Well, I suppose it is a workshop Wednesday sort of thing because we're testing. So this is the first time I've ever used this new topper, so I'll get some better footage in a minute. Well, we're out doing it. It's not leaving perhaps quite as good a job as I'd like. Flails that maybe could do with a sharpen. The grass is a bit thick and wet, and also it's a 1000 RPM machine running on a 540 shaft, so it's not running quite right up to speed. Reason I've done that is because on this tractor you've got a 6 spline 540 shaft and a 1000 spline 21 spline shaft, and it's a shaft that dictates the speed, whereas like the Massey you change it by the cab. So Revved her hard up, probably running it about 600 maybe. Old girl goes well. Old girl does go well. See, if all she does is this little chopping job up on the yard, it's enough to keep her fresh. She doesn't need to do any more. Could maybe do with a 6-spline 1000 RPM shaft for her though. So I don't know quite where to get one of them from. Not often I get to actually see her. Oh, and the topper works well. So, as it turns out, all the repairs to the topper have been successful. The roller's still where I left it. Old girl's always good fun to get her out. She's gone well. Like I said, not done quite a great job, but that's because the topper is a 1000 RPM machine, but on a 6-spline shaft. Those that know, you change the PTO speed on these tractors by changing the shaft stub out. So, got them over it. That's my 1000 RPM shaft. Should have to spare. Where are you? Hello. There we go. And that's my 540 shaft, and as you can see, there's a difference in the shaft there, which is your PTO speed. So yeah, it's not as simple as like the Massey, just changing a lever in the cab. So I've only been able to run it at 540, so it's not just done the job. But as we were aware, there was not me driving my tractor, and that's because a lad, you find him on YouTube, AGR Contracting. Go have a look at his channel, but he's bought me a present. I've just noticed the side panels there a bit detached. There we go, that's better. So yeah, he had some front weights to get rid of, So he's come down to see me, and Smurfy's got a full deck on. She looks, I know it's a little thing, most people probably wouldn't even notice, but she looks so much better with a full set on. So we've now got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 front weights, plus a centre toe jaw. I'll do the maths and put it down sort of here because my brain doesn't work well. So yeah, she looks well. They do need painting up because obviously I painted my weights up not that well, longer than I think. But what I was attempted to do, and see how you guys agree with me, whether to or not. But these 4 extra ones, I was thinking of painting them white. Well, when I say white, Ford Tractor grey. I don't know where to. I might just move. So we'll have blue, white, blue, white, blue, blue. No, I'll move them around somewhere. I think would look quite good. Or do you paint that one white? I think that might be a bit too much. But anyway, comment down below what you think about should I paint them white and how I should set them up and what I should do. That will do for our workshop Wednesday. It's been more of, it's not been a true workshop Wednesday because there's not been much mechanicking going on, but we've given the girl a run, and despite having that fault on the fuel pump, she still runs beautifully. She's still capable of putting in a day's work. And of course, we've given the new purchase, the Kuhn topper that we saw do all the work too. She's had a test run now and seems to run well. So that'll do for this one. Don't forget to give it a grubby thumbs up, if only because Big Girl's had a day out and done some work. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to have a look at the shop. That's it. Stay safe, stay well, and don't forget to look after yourself and each other. And we'll see you on the next one. Well, that's the topping job finished. I'll explain all this in a minute. Oh, and we better shut the gate. Yeah, better shut the gate.